You started your business because you're great at what you do. But what nobody told you is that opening a business is just half of the journey. But what is the other half? The other half is actually making sure people can find you. All of a sudden, you're expected to know about Google, websites, ads, algorithm, and all the digital things that are far from the work you love doing. But here's the part that we often forget. The journey of the customer starts long before they enter your door or call your number. It starts online with whatever they can find about you. Before they even meet you, they're already deciding whether they can trust you, whether you look professional, or if you're a good fit, and they decide all of that based on your digital presence. So today I want to help you see your business the way your customer do. To step out of your role as the owner and step into their shoes. To see what's clear, what's confusing, what builds trust, and what can quietly push people away. Once you understand your business through their perspective, visibility improves, trust grows, and more people start to choose you. And you don't need to become a marketing expert, you just need to see what they see. Join the Show Up Online 5-day challenge. Discover exactly what is working for you online and what's not. It's practical, it's eye opening, and it's going to change the way you see your own digital presence. Join in the button below, and I see you on the other side. Discover exactly what is working for you online and what's not. It's practical, it's eye opening, and it's going to change the way you see your own digital presence. Join in the button below, and I see you on the other side.